gyroflow you see when it was the most fun to ride a road. Like in the gyro data you see nice curves. That's really a nice way up there to my first flying spot. Okay, second flight on the soft targets are gone. We were quite amazed by the drone, but I didn't understand anything. And this spot is awesome. And I hear another train. Right now, that's nice. I could try to power loop the train, but no, just forget it. Too far in this hilly area. Very shiny. This is quite a nice spot. But it's also like quite dangerous. How far do you go out there? Knowing that rescue would be quite tedious. And going down is always a bit shitty. You see what I mean? What's that? That's a funny looking tree. He went through some troubled times. I think this rock formation there is safe to go to. A bit behind the bushes, but it's fine. Those drops are finding those random spots with perfect light. Not a lot of traffic, but a lot of fun. Hope you enjoy this nearly as much as I do. Oh, this is another drone. I did this emergency landing now because my drone motor sounded so weird. Like I was sure I was gonna crash. And then I realized, no, my drone is fine. There must be another drone guy, nerd, up in the next valley. But I will try to find him and chase him down. But the flying here was really nice. I will get to the, not to the chopper, but I will get to the bike and go down to the viaduct. I saw somebody and asked for permission to fly there, and they gave me, and I will do that next. It's amazing. It's been so long since I last flew here. 12 years ago with my tricopter. It was a wobbly mess, but it was really exciting back then as it is now. Check out this old video if you're curious. Even trains looked old back then. There is a fortification from the Second World War. See this concrete stuff over there. Try to maybe protect the railroad or something. I hear a train as well. I won't bother the train. I know from NERC that this can get expensive. But when you have that nice rocks, you don't need to bother the train. Oh, that was a harsh landing. Okay, it's a fabulous spot. Involves a bit of walking. I had to park my bike up there on the road, and I think I will go down there a bit. So yes, Alan, this is for you. This flight involves a bit of hiking. I don't like it when they cut down trees, but in that case, made this area accessible. Now, don't stumble now. Nice, excited for this. I just brought the Era with me. remote goggles and 2 packs. The rest is on the bike up there. And by the way, for you climbers, this is quite a nice wall to be climbed. Oh, these trees can be played with as well. Nice thing is you hear traffic from quite far. One of the oldest railroads, if not the oldest railroad of the world. You might want to Google this. It's amazing. So where am I standing? No clue. I think here. So you have the tendency to go too far in the wrong direction, which you only do once. This is my rock. It's such a large scale canyon here, it's nice. Okay, that's it from this little ride and fly. This has been my ride. If you know my channel, you also know the bike. That's my packed KTM 390. And it's so much more comfortable to have a backpack there and not on your back, if that makes any sense. Not a rucksack and a tank pack.